Yeah, so my name's Chris Patterson. We're here at Motorsport Ranch in Crescent, Texas. This thing is a 2008 Suzuki GSXR600. It's got mostly stock engine, but it's got some rebuilt internals on the forks.
How much did you pay for it? What's the story?
The story goes, first bought it for $1,500. Whenever I showed up to buy it, half the fuel lines ruptured and it wouldn't start, and so basically agreed that I would fix it. We tried to fix it a little bit, got it running, but fixed it later. About $600 total, parts, labor, everything.
So about $2,100 you're into it.
$2,100 plus a round trip to Houston, Texas. And, and there it is, and it starts right up, runs fine. We got some Pirelli slicks on there.
So you say you got Öhlins fork internals.
Correct.
So they're standard forks, but they got Öhlins internals.
Yes. Yeah. And so with that, you can do all of your adjustments for your dampening, your compression, all that.
Okay.
Really, really good feel on it.
Hey guys, I'd really appreciate it if you'd subscribe to the channel. Only a few people have watched the video, subscribe, and I really want to get to 1,000 subscribers this year. Thank you so much.
Feel on it. They were already on it, so I didn't have to pay anything for it.
Yeah. Is anything else non-standard on it?
So far, I mean, you know, you've got your little stuff like your stabilizers. This is just gonna keep you from getting those tank slappers. You can adjust this higher. So this is at 1, that's gonna be the lowest. You can turn this really easy. If you turn it up to 8, it's really slow. So that way, if you pull a little power wheelie and it sets down at an angle, you're not gonna start shaking.
Yeah.
I do have, they're not on it, but I've got a new set of Brembo brakes for that front caliper that's going to go on there.
Yeah.
Those are going to get on, and other than that, it's got a quick shifter and a tuner. I took that off for this weekend just so I could figure the bike out just kind of on its own. But pretty soon that's going to get back on there. We're going to get some new slicks with some fresh rubber. And
so this weekend was the first time you've ridden it?
First time on the bike, and it feels really, really good. It took a little bit to get used to it because I was coming up from an R3. But it's feeling really good now. I did some suspension adjustments to it, so I'm hoping on this next session that it'll be really solid and we can put together some hot laps. But yeah, $2,100, mostly stock. Stuff that's not stock is really nice, and I got really good deals on it. So I mean, if you're just patient.
So what sort of lap times are you doing here, and what do you want to kind of get down to?
So for the 600 class here for novice, you're probably going to be looking at the low 120s. I'm not sure what my lap time is right now. I'm not running a lap timer on the bike. I'm doing that intentionally, just so I focus on the bike and the feel rather than looking at a time, because that's not my goal this weekend. I was on a CBR 250 here. I did a 135. So on a 600, maybe high 120s, mid 120s, somewhere in there. But yeah, that's going to go down as the weekend goes on, and then hopefully next season in February at Houston, we'll have a fresh paint job, a new tire sponsor, and some fresh new brakes.
Brilliant. Well, I'll see you there.
Yes, sir.
I'll see you there.